Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the median in business mathematics or business statistics or quantitative techniques. Median means mid value, center value, that is known as median. There are three series: individual, discrete and continuous series to calculate the median. In individual series the formula and discrete series the formula will be same: size of n item plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, and size of n item n plus 1 divided by 2 is the atom. Now again we have to calculate with a separate size of which atom plus size of higher atom minus size of lower atom into whatever is the value. But in continuous series the size of n divided by 2 atom will be the formula, but the long formula should be added. MED, median, is equal to L plus n divided by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. This is for continuous series, a long formula. But if quartile and decile will be given, means quartile, decile means quarters, like lower quartile Q1, upper quartile means Q3. Size of n plus 1 divided by 4. Quarter is a 4, that's why it's 4. Quarters are 4: first quarter, second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter. That's why. Q3 means size of 3 should be outside upper quartile. N plus 1 divided by 4th atom. Now let's see how we can use these formulas. For the question, this is a median individual series in median, and the median has a 3 series, also individual, discrete and continuous. Let's see the individual series. Calculate median, lower quartile and upper quartile for the following. Quartile, lower quartile means Q1, upper quartile means Q3. 61, 62, 63, 61, 63, 64, 64, 60, 65, 63, 64, 65, 66 and 64. Actually, let's see the solution, but for the purpose of solution first we have to write in ascending order. Okay, all the values should be in ascending order, then we can easily solve the problem. Start the question with the individual series. First let's start the median. So that's the question we have seen. Now first write the question. Write in a order so we can understand. So first write 60, comma 61, comma 61, comma 62, comma 63, comma again 63 second time, then again third time, then 64th fourth time, one time, 64 two time, then 64 three time, then 64 four time, then 65 first, again 65 second, now 66 is only one time. N means number of atom. How many? Sigma means total. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Overall N is 14. So let's start with median. What is the formula for median? Median formula is a median n plus 1 divided by 2. Center value. Median should be always divided by 2. N is how much? 14 plus 1 divided by 2 means 15 divided by 2 is equal to 7.5. The 7.5 means this atom is coming between 7 and 8. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7. 7 and 8 means center value here. The median is coming here, means how much? 63 plus 64 divided by 2 means answer is 63.5. This is the median. Now quartile, let's see the quartile also. Q1 n plus 1 divided by quarter always 4, n 14 plus 1 divided by 4, 15 divided by 4. If 15 divided by 4 means how much? 3.75. 3.75. We are getting 3.75. For these, median we have calculated directly, but for quarter we have to calculate some long formula, because it's coming 3 and 4th, first, second, third, fourth, here center of 3 and 4th. Okay, center of 3 and 4th. Sorry, first, second, third, fourth, sorry, center of 3 and 4 is coming here. So you can't take directly here. For quarters, what you have to do, you have to write like this: 3 and 4, between 3 and 4, between 3 and 4. So you have to write size of third atom. This is the third atom plus, now it's coming between 2, so size of fourth atom minus size of third atom, bracket close. Now multiply into the remaining 7.5 should be here, means 0.75. Now third atom, what is the third atom? Is a 61 and fourth atom is a 62. Now third atom is a 61 plus fourth atom should be in bracket, it is 62 minus third atom is a 61 into 0.75 remaining same. This is came from here. Third means this is the third atom. Center is coming between 2 means between 2 is here, and remaining 75 is should be like this. This one is 61 plus, if you minus this one you will get 1 plus 1 into 0.75. Multiply with this, you will get 61 plus 0.75. It means 61.75 for Q1. For Q3 also same. Upper quartile. Q3 is known as upper quartile. Means 3 of n plus 1 divided by 4. Because is a Q3 means Q3 should be take separate. 3 should be here, n plus 1. 14 plus 1 divided by 4. 3 of 14 plus 1 divided by 4, already we have seen here 14 plus 1 divided by 4 means it's coming 3.75. So directly we can take here 3.75 multiply with 3 times, means we are getting 11.25. So size of 11 atom and 12 atom. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and this is 12. So Q3 is coming here. Q1 is here. 64 and 65. So we cannot take directly. In quarters we should take like this. Size of for discrete and continuous. For continuous, for individual, size of which atom? It's 12th atom plus into the bracket, 11th atom, bracket size of large atom means 12 atom 12th minus size of 11th into 0.25. 11 time is 64 plus into the bracket 65 minus 64 into 0.25. This is 64 plus, and this one is a 1 into 0.25. This one is 64 plus 0.25. The overall is 64.25. This is how we can calculate the quarters. Q3 upper quarter and lower quarter in discrete series. Now next see the this is individual series. Now let's see discrete series. This is the individual series where the frequency is not, it won't give, but in discrete series always frequency give. So let's see the next question.